It's a TDI SE Premium Package 2014 Volkswagen Passat. She's got the premium pack with the big alloys, factory sunroof, rear sport lip, dual zone digital climate, heated seats. She's loaded up, folks, and she gets monster MPGs with the diesel. Guaranteed credit approvals in full effect here, folks. Over 32 dealer service records on this lady, and she presents herself like new. Guaranteed credit approval with a $995 starting down payment on this lady. Come on down, DasCleveland.com. 2 current paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour your time. We got a huge selection of cars right now, folks, and we're raring up with vehicles coming in every single day. DasCleveland.com.